Welcome to Salika Mag. In today's tutorial, we will learn a tulip pants or tulip shalwar. Fabric is just 2 meter, and you need a wider fabric like 58 inches fabric required. So let's start cutting. So first I just need this yellow. The other red one is only for the piping purpose. So I'll fold it first in two fold like this way, and after that I will fold it from here, hold from this corner and fold it in the middle, something like this. You need to make here this angle, and now check this length. This is actually your tulip pant length. Here I'm also adding the belt, that is must. So belt length is 8 inches. This is standard. So whatever is your shalwar or pant length, just minus your belt. For example, here my pant length is 38, so I'm here just taking 30. This red line I'm just taking 30. And now you need to pin up all this, and make sure you just put your measuring tape on the corner and keep moving your measuring tape according to your length what is required here, and just mark this blue line is a bit in curve, so that's how you need to mark here. Guys, if you are first time on my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and bell icon, so every time I will upload a video you will get notification. So here I'm explaining on a piece of paper. Just fold my fabric like this way, two fold, and after that I fold it from here and then again from the other side. So in center I just make this shape, and after that I mark my length, that is here 30 inches. So I just mark it like this way because total length is 38, but I minus the belt here. Now just cut this, and remember it's a little bit curved, and after that I will separate these two pieces. And don't skip the video, I will show you how you can make here the crotch line, and this is your hemline. You can cut it in a bit curve, or otherwise you can also leave in this pointed shape, so it's up to you. This is designing part. So now it's time to attach the piping. After cutting you need piping, or you can use any ribbon, anything. So here I'm using this red fabric. Just cut it straight piping, no need in the bias binding, in bias angle. So just cut straight fabric, and now here I just mark 10 inches. So from this 10 inches from one side I will start, and all the way I will attach this to the other side. That's how we need to do the piping on our this pancha. So after that I will show you how you can stitch this. So see, I'm just making here this red line, so you can understand this all the area will cover by the piping. And this piping is again optional, you can just do it some hemming or something, so it's up to you. Now I'm just cutting it, and after that see I just attach the piping here. Now it's time to stitch this together, and it depends you want this piping on your left side or right side, but usually we keep it on the outer side, so that's how you have to keep this. And so I just overlap this and now I'm stitching it like this way. So till 7 inches from the bottom towards upside I just leave 7 inches opening. It depends how much open you want your pancha part. So now it's time to cut the crotch. I just put these two legs on each other. And now I'm just marking here my crotch, that is here total is 14 inches, but I just minus the belt from that 14 inches. I'm just marking here 6 inches, and after that 2 inches this side. So I will make here this rectangle type of shape first, and then I will give here a curve, see, like this way, and then I'll just cut this. So before marking this 6 inches, make sure that you leave half inches for the seam allowances as well. Now you can see here, this is our crotch, and we will place one piece on other piece, right side on the right side, and we'll stitch it in this U shape. So guys, if this tutorial is useful for you, please don't forget to hit the like button, so YouTube will know that people are liking my video. So it will really help me to grow on YouTube channel. So now I just take my belt, that is 8 inches plus 2 inches for the elastic turning and seam allowances, and 20 inches is the width, because the hip line is 40, so I just divide that by 2, so 20 is 2 fold. And you can see I just mark here on 4.5 this side and 4.5 the other side, means total 9 inches from center towards both sides. And then I will just attach the center with the center, and after that the line that we just draw here, see, before that just mark the sides as well, just make here a cut. And after that on your belt, that line that you just mark on the 4.5 inches from center towards right and left, on that point you just need to attach your this piping area, so that your piping will come in very center of your leg part. And the rest of fabric you just need to give the knife plates here. So same way we will do the other side. I mean right and left, both side you have to pin up properly, give the proper plates. And after that also attach the back side of the belt with the back side, back center, and the sides of your pants or shalwar to the sides of your belt. That's how you have to pin up all the way and just stitch in around all this way. So after stitching this, you need to make a straight stitch on the right side of the fabric, so that it will stay here. And then just fold your this part for the elastic. Here see, you need to stitch it and then fold this part for the elastic purpose. Just leave some space so that you can easily insert elastic. And hope guys you like this tutorial. And if any question, any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section. The more different style of pants and trouser you can check in my playlist: upper fresh secret pants or wide leg pants and palazzo pants, circle palazzo pants. All these tutorials are uploaded on my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. And here is the final look of this bottom. So please just press a thumbs up button. Thank you. Take care.